Let's see how long it is.
All right. Hold on.
Don't do it, brother. Don't do it, brother.
Are you sure, brother?
Actually.
Alright you guys, so as you guys seen, I'm not really a morning person when it comes to working out. Working out in the morning, 7 o'clock, then going to work for 9, then cutting hair all day. Man, it's hard. It's hard, but I am determined, okay, dedicated, motivated, and I'm using consistency at this point to keep going. But right now, I'm on my way to work, and I got a big, not a big surprise. It's not really a surprise or anything, but I'm cutting Austin's hair off today. Yeah, man, he's been growing his hair for I don't know, for
3 years.
He's been growing his hair for a long time because he got long hair. He got a taper on the side and taper in the back, but he definitely got long hair on the top, and he's ready to just cut it off. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna cut off his hair. Hopefully I'm not too tired, okay? There's this guy that be on the corner with a Jesus sign, so I always honk at him. Just to show my respects, because it ain't easy being out here repping the G-O-D. I'm on my way to the job, about to pull up right now, so I see you guys inside. Well, come on, let's go. All right, listen, yesterday I actually saw Dolomite for the second time.
Dolomite is my name, and up mother is my game.
For those that don't know what it is, it's a show on Netflix with Eddie Murphy, and you know, it was a pretty good movie. I don't want to spoil it and tell you guys what it was about, but yeah, for me it was pretty dope. You guys should check it out.
You want me to take off my glasses? You can do whatever.
It just sucks that you have to miss work. That's my favorite time to go though. Hey Jarrell. Yesterday's workout was nice. Yeah.
I'm sore, bro.
Yeah, me too.
If you guys want to have a box of any of this left over, went to the floor.
Why are you coming to fix the floor?
Well, I'll come and see if I can still get it. You know what I mean? They asked me to come see if I could figure out what it was, but it's kind of tough. But can I grab one of those boards that's clicked in? And I'll try to match
Uncle
it up.
actually has a
Do you have one out already?
You buy your tickets out, like.
Alright, you guys, despite the guy and his color of his hair, he asked for enhancements, okay? Yes, he asked for it.
You did not. That's messy.
Testing. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. We're live in 360 Jeezy Station. You should check out what he got, man. Oh shoot. Yeah, so yeah, you know, follow me on YouTube at Rellybo Barber, Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah.
YouTube, the time is now. The time is now. Austin, if I could zoom in real quick. Austin is getting his hair cut off.
It's time. It's time. It's
Man.
been way too long. It's overdue. 3 years.
Let's see how long it is.
All right. Hold on.
Don't do it, brother. Alright, you guys, he's in the chair. Time is now to get cut. It's over. So let's just get real cinematic real quick. YouTube. Y'all probably can't see me, but hey, the time is now. Let's not waste any more time. Let's not procrastinate. Let's not just, you know, waste any valuable time. So I gotta sweep up this area real quick and I'll be right back.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we're back. We're back. I had to sweep up. So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready? No? Alright.
Sure, honey?
Yeah,
You ready?
I'm sure.
Are we sure about
I'm
this?
so sure.
Are you sure, brother?
Actually, I want to keep some length.
Sometimes it does.
Golly, this is a lot of hair.
Can you leave one strand?
Oh, man.
You got him mullet.
Alright, you guys, he's looking real crazy right now, so we're gonna have to go wash this out. Or just wash away something. I don't know. The lines in it, something. It has to be washed, blow dried, something. So,
I actually think it looks pretty cool.
Alright, YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. How do you like the cut?
It's perfect.
Alright.
It's perfect.
Alright, we're gone. We're out of here. It's late.
It is.
Oh, it's almost 7 o'clock. We out.
Alright.
Cheat.
Chip.
Cheat. Go to the camera.
Delayed action.
Cheer.